The chicks are coming. On the way right now. It's go time.
Well, happy Saturday morning.
Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to Blackwell Adventures. So we are now starting again on another Saturday morning. It's a little dreary today, so we think we'll be working inside most of
I'm
today.
going to do some painting in the garage.
Painting and making doors and things like that. Now, we did get some comments on some of the content of our videos, mainly with
and if we cared, we'd address it. So have a good afternoon. And
so,
here comes the rain.
So some of the comments were, videos are a little long, which okay. I can agree with that. We're trying to capture as much as we can to show everything that we're doing, but we can adjust that. Also, we need more intro with us talking and explaining what we're doing throughout the video and at the beginning of the video. So you can expect that.
I'm going to sing a song now.
You can expect those changes to happen on the next couple that we release. For those that have watched us from the beginning and are supporting the channel, we appreciate it.
And if you left, you're really going to miss out when we get this stuff figured out.
That's right.
The thing we need to address is we need a cool, creative name for our egg shack.
It's true.
So
post your comments down below. What should we call this chicken coop? So just a quick update of where we're at. Ryan has taken care of building the doors, the trim. I've been working on painting said trim and painting the panels that are going to go in the doors. I'm going to work on painting these other sets of panels, and as soon as these are dry, Ryan's going to start assembling the doors, just so you know where we're at. So then once we have the doors and everything assembled, we can mount it to the coop, and we're coming down the home stretch here.
getting closer.
What are you doing?
I don't know what to do with my hands.
Put them down. You look stupid.
Sorry.
So here we are concluding an episode with an editorial so that everyone knows exactly what we did and when we did it.
Rob's wife.
So right now we have the doors done, framed, hardware on behind us. What's left to do is to shoot the trim onto the coop itself, mount the doors, and
some eggs.
the coop will be done. So yeah, so the next time you see us, expect the next video to be mounting the doors, mounting the hardware that's left, and finishing up the coop. So thank you for tuning in. Like we said at the beginning, please put a comment below on what we should name our chicken coop. The winner will receive a bottle of maple syrup, courtesy of Blackwell Adventures.
And bragging rights.
And
we don't have anything else to give yet.
Not yet. No, not yet. But anyway, thanks for tuning in, and we appreciate you supporting the channel.